Hello friends, jatana lamchago re-upload Shillong tir formula kobrok today. Tini house enam bukak thanai house by Guti. Okay. Tini ni dating ka 12 August 2025. Tini house 4 5 6 0 ma 0 to parent chong ngana de 4 5 6 0 oron bising khela game pele khainai house Shillong tir counter khakhayo result oron manai house ni bisingo angkai ta kaisa 7 no phone guru no mo 7 no rok pele khaima khaidi khaime aka tori parent chong gat mo 4 5 6 0 mole house pele khai nangnai parent chong ngama 7 no jara thangmane thangdi angkai tin jotoi mo house ri rakha angkai taw bel sorry guti na bukak thanai guti 4 house guti tongono 40 41 42 47 46 49 most hoita guti friend chong 4 house ni friend chong 4 house ni friend chong okay jetang ora ending riwo joto house no 4 5 6 0 mo house jetang riwo ora nora mono harmono 0 1 2 4 7 mano mono ending na hari game pela khadi friend chong ora pasta ending nga khakhayo result manai oran bisingo jeta ang 4 house thajing guti jeta set khairo aboni jeta ending no na hari pela khaimono 5 6 0 ngon 5 o double 5 pela ma khaine friend chong angkai tin jota asma hambai ta video no kotal nuk tong khang no channel no kotal nuk tong angkai subscribe khaina de friend chong tamna mule Shillong tir formula kobrok to de target o channel ni owner malik angno aja ko finally kam gaimalia tabo ang channel kotal khuloka noro jotono video no kotal nuk tong noro saiman tong hakai subscribe khaidi agina hakina noro follow khadi friend chong kai tin jota asna next video mo lai phina hai